How to make AdSense account on YouTube. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys. It's a pretty quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helps you out, please let me know in the comments and let's get started right away. So there will be one day where you can finally monetize your channel and earn money. But there is one step left, and that is creating a Google AdSense account. Now, how can we actually do that? Well, if you actually get the opportunity to get your channel monetized, you should probably have like a second step where it says create AdSense account. Then you can click on the link and you can also do it via that. But if you want to create an AdSense account before you are already able to monetize, so right before, for example, what you can actually do is simply search for AdSense and then click on the first link, which will bring you over to this page. Now on the top right, you have two options to sign in or get started. So I'll just click on get started. Here, select any email you would like to use for AdSense. So I'll just do that. Once you will be brought to this page, you will have to fill all of this in. So if you actually have a website, then you can by all means go ahead and add a website. But for a lot of just regular YouTubers, you probably do not have a website. It's just mainly for YouTube. So just click on there if you don't, or else just add it. Then here it says get more out of AdSense. Yes, send me customized help and performance suggestions. No. So you can choose whichever you would like. I'll just choose no. So it says your payment country / territory. So this is very important to actually put in your correct country, because you know there's lots of like laws and stuff that get involved as well if you have an AdSense account. So I'll just select my country over here. Then it says our terms and conditions. So this will be in my language as well, because you know I have selected Netherlands over here. And then if you click on I have read and accept the agreement, and then click on start using AdSense. So once you are here in AdSense, this might look a little bit different for you because I've just switched to my actual AdSense account due to the fact that you can only have one AdSense account per person, basically. So don't try to make two, because if YouTube or Google, finds it out, then it might just completely blocks all of your AdSense accounts. So basically, one step that is very, very important, especially to earn money on YouTube, is to go to payments and then to payments info. And once you click on there, at the bottom, you should see manage settings. That's where you want to click on. And once you are here, you want to make sure that every single thing is filled in correctly. Probably everything is basically already filled in correctly, but the most important part here is the United States tax information. And that is something that you got to edit or add. So if I click on this pen icon, and here you have to actually submit a form. So this form is actually pretty difficult to like fill in if you don't know anything about law or taxes or whatever, because this basically states the fact that depending on your country where you live, how much tax Google can actually take, or the United States. So here you have to submit a form. I recommend like searching up a YouTube video on how to actually like do this, because it's actually pretty hard, and you have to fill this in correctly as well, or else you might be in trouble. So that's the most important part. And if you've done that, you can use AdSense for YouTube. So that is how to make AdSense account on YouTube. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.